built a media wall, I've wired the lights. Can you come check it safe? Safe, you've got it twisted together onto a plug top, 2 core with no earth, 240 lights, and it's wired back to a switch with no neutral, so it wouldn't have worked anyway. But don't worry, mate, I'll sort it out for you. I'm all for people doing a bit of DIY, but electric should be left to the professionals. So let's get new drummer twin and earth out and get rewired. First media wall is pretty easy to rewire. We just need to get a new switch line underneath the floor. So we got the floorboards up, and then we pulled through using the existing cable to run a new switch line back to the switch. Luckily, all the hard work's done, so we can just pull the new twin and earth cable through onto the existing cable. And then the next media wall, we had to make a little cut to find the junction box. I mean, it was a good effort with the labelling. Pulling the new cable through was a bit squeaky bum time because he's done all the MDF and it was all glued together. So the last thing we wanted to do was smash it all apart. It took him 3 days. But we don't do problems, just solutions. We managed to get all the cables rewired, looped through, and then back to the switch. Now that all the cables are in place, it's time to make off the downlights. And you've guessed it, live neutral earth, a couple of Wagos and a whisker box because the lights are pre-wired with no drivers. Back to the neutral problem. We had to get the floor up upstairs, so we used a multi-tool to cut out the floorboards, and then we drilled through the joist to run a new cable back to the pendant because this is where all our live and neutrals are at. We run a triple cable, so we've got our switch line permanent, neutral and our earths, and then it was time to connect it all up. Neutrals all together, earths all together, and then we was left with our permanent and switch line. Connect it up at a pendant, and that is how we do it properly. Easy one-er, job done. Lovely.